to my first grade friends. This is Mrs. Arrington, and I sure do miss you guys. I hope you had a great first week of learning at home. And today I'm going to do our sound cards. Now, you guys know how to do these. You're great at them. But moms and dads don't. And so it's your turn to teach them. So in your packets this week, I have given you your own set of flashcards. Woohoo! So before we get started and go through them, I better explain something to you because I think some of you are going to probably wonder. Do you see my hand? I'm going to move it this way. See, I keep messing up where that camera is. I've got some Band-Aids, and I actually have one Band-Aid on this hand too. I got some paper cuts. And so I wanted to show you, I have Mickey Mouse, and I have another little Mickey's face. Anyway, I thought I would point that out to you and tell you I just got some paper cuts while I was getting your packets together. And so no big deal. But in case you're wondering, when I hold up the cards, you're not going, Mrs. Arrington. So here's the deal. I know we don't always go through all the sounds, but we are going to this time because it's been a while since we've gone through them, right? And your cards at home have the key picture with them. So like B, boy, but, okay? But I'm not going to go do that because you guys are first graders, almost second graders. So I'm just going to go through the sounds like we would normally do in class, okay? So you can do them with me this way, even though yours have the picture on them. You could also color your own set of flashcards if you want. Okay, you ready? Oi, at the end of a word. Oi, in the middle of a word. R at the end of longer words like dollar. Ed, duh, t. Okay, remember it's got three sounds. Ed, t. I don't think this one's in your cards either, but you can do it with me. At the end of a short word with a short vowel. E in the middle of a word. J at the end of a short word with a short vowel. The D is silent. Oh, remember that E? What does that E do? It makes the vowel say its name. So let's put a K. Ache. Good. Ch. At the end of a short word with a short vowel, the T is silent. All. Oh, here's that magic E again. That E makes the vowel say its name. This time, let's put a T there. Ite. Another magic E. The E makes the vowel say its name. Let's put an L there. Ol. G. I. And Z. Eh. Sh. Ch. W. B. Ah. Ah. W. J. No English word ends with a J. No English word ends with a V, always followed by an E at the end. T. P. Y. Qu. Q is always followed by U because they're best friends. No English word ends with a Q. D. Z. Ooh, here's that magic E again. Let's put an L in the middle. Yule, as in mule. Here's that magic E again. Let's put a V in the middle. Eve. Now these next ones are not in your card deck, okay? But you can do them with me on here. Ung. Ong. Here's another one that's not in your card deck. Ing. Another one that's not in your card deck, but you know it. Do it for mom and dad. Ang. Oh. Ink. Ink. Unk. Onk. All right, there's our sound deck. Good job, boys and girls. I look forward to hearing how you were able to teach mom and dad to do your deck. Talk to you later.